Hey guys, every day I come from school, I just come home and play some basketball. And if I leave early, I'll show y'all this new slime I made. And y'all be wondering why do we got the same container from last time. So yeah. Many people think girls can't play basketball. Well, yes, girls not that good. Well, I'm not that good. I'm not that good. So, I'm teaching y'all some things I know how to do. So, yes, y'all seen I made that. I am. Just put it right there. And you can see some more stuff about me. So you can't see the goat. I'm scared of balls, so I hate getting hit in the face. Because I got hit in the face once. That wasn't pretty. But where I am, I had to make sure the ball don't go over that fence or down there. Because I'll lose and I'm scared to go down there. So, yeah. If y'all like watching my stuff and y'all want to see me play some basketball, like sometimes I talk about basketball, but I don't think I put it on camera. So I'm finna give y'all some skills. Only what I know how to do. Some folks know how to do this thing. I don't know how to do it. So I am watching you so I can learn. But all I know how to do is this. And shoot from 3 points. But I'm not really shooting for 3 points because I get too scared. I might lose the ball, so I'm shooting right here. Like that. So I'm finna go get it. Here I go all the way down. Where did that go? Well, I gotta go all the way down there. Probably wondering why this is a different color because it broke. That's it right there. So I'm just going down here, and I hate going down here. But I'm happy to go over there because our balls always go over there. And we gotta ask for permission to go get our ball after I can see that fence broke because we broke it trying to go over there. I'm so scared, guys. Help me. Oh my gosh. I hate snakes. Hate frogs, snakes. So once I get this ball, y'all know I'm running. Just running up these huge stairs, guys. Back up here. Oh God, Lee. Sorry about that. And if I go inside early, sorry, it gets my face. Well, if I go inside early, I'll show you the new slime I just made. And if my brother get home, he'll probably come out here. No! Y'all see what almost happened? We also got this baby goat for babies, but you could turn it higher, whatever way you want it. So yeah. And make sure, if y'all already didn't like it please. And hit subscribe if you already did. Subscribe it. And if y'all got anything to say, say it. If y'all do better than me, then just say it. Because I don't care. I'm a beginner, so it don't really matter to me. So I don't really care. Whatever. If you play better basketball than me, I know you do. If you're a boy, then of course you do. And if you're a girl, you're a beginner like me, just say, hey, I'm a beginner too. So maybe we can meet up somewhere and we can practice together. Well, yeah. Well, Mom, I just woke up. Well, sometimes when I get home, I don't really come in here and practice. I just come home, watch TV, fall asleep, and then wake up at 6:30. Oh crap! I just failed. I've been out here for a little while, but I just decided to make a video. Because I had lost my ball, and I had somebody come get me. But they made me lose my ball again, so I have to go get it myself. And that's when I came up and decided to make this video. Pass. I asked some people to come in here with me so I could work on my passing and my dribbling and my defense and all that. Hey guys, I got glue in my hand for just making that slime. So yeah. But they don't do it because they got homework. And my mama come out here, she's trying to practice with me with her nails. Uh-oh. That was so close. My feet almost slipped. Hey, but at least I know how to play good in boots. At least it fell in my yard. Because I could just, ow! Poke me. I could just get it. Hey, but at least I saved it because it was going to go over my neighbor house and nobody was going to get me. So I got that. Musically, I had watched this girl or boy, I don't know. This person was so good. It was like all the way up here, all the way to my house, like gate. They had shoot it backwards and they made it. And if I try it, I know I'm gonna miss, so I'm not gonna try it. But I need to be positive. I'm always talking about I'm gonna miss and crap. And yes, I'm playing good. I'm just too busy talking to the camera. Sorry. So. Oh, no! Whew. Caught that one that time. Because I was not going to go back down there. I hope y'all see my face in that one. That's that's a double, but who cares? Not up the button here. These shoes are so slippery, guys. Yeah, not really t-shirt anything. I just keep doing that and shooting it, showing you my house, taking y'all downstairs and everything. I'm sorry. But at least I know how to do it. So I'm supposed to learn how to do that. And if you don't, I'm sorry. And follow me on Musical.ly if you already didn't do that, I'm sorry. My name is Jade Hart, Jade B-Lit 9, no spaces, no capitalized. So there. Ooh, do y'all want to follow me? Well, follow me. My brother say every time I know the ball will fall, he said I need to go get it. Don't let it fall. So, yeah, that's up just over there doing all that. You can't see me, but we're just going. And if I don't get time to show y'all my slime I made, I would just make a new video and let y'all see. So, yeah. I'm sorry because I didn't practice. My game is Friday. And I think that's the, they call it? We won every game except for the first game. And then we went against the person we lost to. And then we won against them. So it's basically like we won the first game. But first game, we didn't know what to do. So, and plus they is bigger than us. So, yeah. But that was crazy because the first team we went against, they was like, some of them was short. And then on our second team, the one we did on the second game, we had beat them. They were like all in 5th grade. And I'm only in 3rd grade or 9. I'm supposed to be in 4th grade, but my birthday left. So think of this. If I was in 4th grade last year, I'd be in 5th grade this year. See, I'm not that good. I cut the short on my slime. My mom said, while I'm over there making slime, playing with it, I need to be over here practicing. So that's why I'm outside practicing right now. So I think I will make a video of me showing y'all that slime. As you can see, I actually made slime and y'all don't believe me because I got glue on my hands in the color. So yeah. I come back my way, so that's why I didn't move. Oh crap, I'm hitting my face. I don't think I'm gonna go there back home. Wait, I didn't do it. Yo, I'm finna throw this at my phone, guys. Did y'all really think I was finna throw this at my iPhone 6 Plus? Y'all must be crazy. Wait, I gotta redo that. Did y'all really think I was gonna throw this ball at my iPhone 6 Plus? Y'all must be crazy. Let's go. Oh my gosh. It's because of this there. Did y'all really think I was gonna wait? Did y'all really think I was gonna throw this ball at my iPhone 6 Plus? That must be crazy. Let's go. Ah! I don't know if it hit it or not, but it doesn't look like it's hitting it. Did y'all really think I was gonna throw this at my iPhone 6 Plus? That must be crazy. Let's go. Ah! Wait, did it hit? Oh my gosh! My phone! It cracked. Man, my mom's gonna be pulling my case. Ah! But, sorry. So guys, I am going inside to show you that slime. I was gonna say I just on my phone, but I left my phone. I'm recording. I'm in my house. Look up, like I'm very tired. I'll go back outside, but I don't think I'm gonna be making a video there. But I'm gonna go back outside to
Yes, ma'am.
So, I'm sorry.
No, she said he wanted to for his
Fantastic.
birthday.
And if y'all didn't know what activate I used to make my slime, is
You happy to know?
Loretta. Shh, make a video.
I know this girl.
So here's my slime. It's so sticky, guys. Can you record this for me, Katasha? Me play with my
Hello, you guys. My name is Natasha. Yes, what's up, people?
I don't want it
I'm never gonna dance
in. Stop, you hit me in my boob. That crap hurts.
So yeah, this
I'm never
slime.
gonna dance again.
Say
I don't know this crap on me. What's wrong with you?
This is a video.
I gotta go. Y'all don't shut the fuck up.
Y'all just making my YouTube channel look bad. Keep cussing.
Y'all better stop a grandma come back here.
Oh, stop. We having too much fun.
So stretchy, guys.
Stop all that.
It's a really cute blue.
So,
It should look dark because this is the color I had used.
Did I take out that lamp? Alright, I'm ready, Katasha.
Hold this whole about tell her if she ready.
I'm sorry, you did that. Come on. Come on, tell me get that part. Bitch, out of the church.
Get on downstairs.
Come on, Sasha. Get the scissors.
Get out. You stepping on my shoes.
You can beat it at 7 or something?
No.
I need to just use it real quick.
I'm talking about stuff.
Get
She
out.
gonna take her hair out.
You don't need no brush.
Nobody here. Got tired hair all over everything. Go outside.
She said go outside.
Grandma, that's country.
Y'all don't sweet.
No, it's taking it out. We're not putting it
You
in.
won't clean up. Every time y'all do your hair, you have hair on the rug in here. I'm tired of that.
Finna give it a shot.
Grandma, this country to be outside.
All on the door. Yeah, you gonna be on the back. Nobody gonna see. Hair all on the door. Low.
You serious? But what if I drop my tracks? What's up, mama?
Guys, I didn't eat it. What? I use a Durex. I'm not finna those on my hair. This is not weave, guys. This is my normal hair.
Because I'm sick of it.
Do you like this one?
So she's my eyes like brown and dark, bro.
You said this one break last night.
I looked in the mirror and I didn't
It
realize
was
that.
easy when you kept breaking.
They were like really bright.
Yes, ma'am.
Because I do it away. I do it away. I look like
Yes,
I
ma'am.
Yes, I knew I just made it.
Come on, Tasha.
Yes, I did. Oh, God.
Okay, man.
Cause you need to close your mouth. Put on the light. You close your mouth too.
Hey, get out.
I ain't even do anything.
Get out, because you don't do them. Everybody they be hiding and running down the hall. Get on out.
She said you.
Don't-
I
I'm
thought
not
she
no
was
bad
trying to. I
influence.
thought she was trying to say that you making
Nah,
the
y'all
room
be hiding
hotter.
and running down the hall. That noise.
I get sick of that jump. I tell y'all talking to me. Scissors, baby. Scissors. Oh, they down here.
Crap, so hard to
I can use
complete.
those
I don't know how to
because
do
I ain't
it.
gotta actually could. I just
Forget it. Yeah. I think I'm gonna add some more color to it. So, if y'all see it get darker, y'all know.
That's how old people hit their folks. That's what be so funny. They always do the same thing.
Only add 2 dots because that's all I am allowed to do.
Excuse you.
And y'all see me making a whole bunch of blue slimes. I know why, because
Give my purse.
blue is my favorite color. It don't gotta be light. I'm sorry. It ain't gotta be light. It don't gotta be dark.
You keep scissors in your purse.
So I should
I mean, hey, what you got in here? A whole clothes? Still got a whole bunch more.
You're supposed to do this because if you don't do that, it's going to start looking like this and start getting on your hand. So,
Watch your hand. You should watch your mouth.
see it's getting darker.
You know what I'm about? Sasha. Alright.
Natasha, I had charged the phone for you.
I need some scissors right now.
Ain't got none, nigga.
Ooh. Nigga.
Cause when I find something steady,
Yo, cause shut up.
in my head, y'all.
I'm fortunate to know you, babe.
So yeah, guys.
I've been busy running these streets. You make sure your home is straight. And I'm gonna make sure you get some me. Stop. They're going to the little kids.
Okay,
Go ask your mama she got them.
Crap! Ugly, stop making me waste the Blu-rays.
Trying to show up the camera. Where? Go there. I thought it was a lot. Ain't I funny camera? Anyone outside? They you could find out.
It's falling, guys. Oh my gosh, help me.
Who missed the thing up? Cause I almost had it. Oh, some freaking on acting day. I'm gonna pull up a star. See, I have all purple right here, and I had to do one more.
So, yeah.
Ain't having camera. Ain't going outside. That's it.
This is so sticky, guys. I could be Cookie Monster. Ooh, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have my mom take me to the cookie shop. And I'm gonna get some small little cookies. Put them in here. Look at Cookie Monster. Like Cookie Monster ate some cookies, but he left some crumbs. So, yeah. And y'all just comment below, what should I do? Should I do it or should I not? Just should I get something in it? Y'all comment below and I'll see. So yeah.
Make sure you home straight. I wanna make sure I win these streets. Go ahead.
It kind of looked like a slushie. Also, follow my cousin Jara Price and follow
Make
my
sure you
other
put a
cousin
back.
Me
Those are the only
Price.
blue jeans really I got like that.
Because
That's
like,
the ones that you give
they're
me.
my cousin, guys.
Cause
And
I
if
don't
you
like
know
red
them,
color pink.
then y'all should been follow them.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And those the goodest ones. Cause they go with everything.
I kind of like my socks to be sticky, just to kind of go put something in it. Oh, and guys, I'm gonna ask my mama to take me to the store so I can buy some.
She's gonna say no.
You shut up! I'm not even talking to you.
I don't get
I'm gonna ask her to take me to the store, or she could just buy some
I
in
did this
school.
before.
So
Sit down so I can
she could buy some ranch, and I'm gonna well, y'all see in my next video, guys. So wait, no, not ranch, ketchup. We already got ketchup. Grandma, I'll be right back. I'll see you on my next video.
Wait, I don't know if I'm talking about.
Which good is it? Wait, I'm just gonna do a little bit. Okay. Bye, guys. Love you.
No, you don't.